always been told to love myself. I try, but I can never understand.
Everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about oils on a ketogenic diet. And here in front of me I've got a few that I actually use myself, and I'm going to go through with them one by one so you can see the actual carb content, the fat content and the sugar content on each of them. So let's start with the macadamia oil. Now the macadamia oil is native to Australia. This particular oil again has 0 salt, 0 gluten, 0 carbs and 0 sugar. It's a great oil because it can be chilled. It's great for cooking. It's great for putting onto salads. One of the most important characteristics of the macadamia oil is its smoke point when you're cooking, and it can go between 210 to 234 Celsius when you're cooking with macadamia oil. Looking at extra virgin avocado oil. Again, this oil, 0 salt, 0 sugar, 0 carbs, really high in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated oils, great omega-3s, and this is also suitable for vegetarians and vegans, and vitamin E, and also enhances the absorption of carotenoids and nutrients. So because the avocado is an all-year crop, it has an unusually high smoke point, both refined and unrefined, between 480 degrees Fahrenheit and 250 degrees Celsius. No trans fat in the extra virgin avocado oil. Okay, so the next one we're looking at is the extra virgin olive oil, and again we're looking at no trans fats, 0 cholesterol, 0 carbs, 0 sugar. Should have olive oil in their pantry. I buy the very large 4-litre container because it's very economical in terms of quantity. You can drizzle the olive oil over salad. You can cook with the olive oil. It's a monounsaturated fat. It's never been more easier. It's never been more tastier to cook eggs, or to fry your meats, or to fry your vegetables. Okay, now we've got sesame seed oil. Sesame seed oil is, you only need a few drops for flavoring in any of your Asian meals, in your stir fries, over your vegetables. In this case we're looking at 0 carbs, 0 sugar, 0 salt. It's great for dressing meats and marinades, and it's just made up of crushed sesame seeds. Once again, all of these oils are made from nuts, and you're going to get a high level of monounsaturated, polyunsaturated fats from this particular oil. So the next oil I've got is walnut oil. Now this is a little expensive, this oil. It's extracted from walnuts, and it's a polyunsaturated fatty acid oil, and it contains saturated fats. And on the label here again we're looking at 0 carb, 0 sugar, 0 sodium and 0 trans fats. There is saturated, polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fats. This is great as a dressing for your salads, over your vegetables. It has a very beautiful taste. Sometimes it's used for frying, but then again it depends what you're frying, because the heating high heat will reduce the flavor of this oil. So it's basically used more for dressing than for cooking, and it's preferred mainly in cold dishes such as salads and dressings. So I thought I would just buy this one as a one-off to try it. My next oil, of course, is my MCT Premium Liquid Coconut Oil. Again, it's the same thing, 0 carbohydrates, 0 sugar, 0 sodium. This is perfect for cooking, for baking, for frying, even as a salad dressing, as smoothies, and you can use it in your desserts, or even taken raw, put into your coffee as a bulletproof coffee. This is 100% coconut oil, mainly comprised of medium chain triglycerides, hence the name MTC. This is a go-to on the ketogenic diet. Next one is your saturated fats, which is basically just your butter. Cook with butter, and also you can also use animal fat like lard, which is great for cooking. This particular butter, 0 carbs, 0 sugar, and this has a higher salt content, but that's okay. And this you can put onto your vegetables, you can cook with it. It's high in the saturated fats, which again is perfect on the ketogenic diet. So last but not least, you've got ghee, which is a clarified butter because all the water and the milk solids have been removed. It's a beautiful tasting fat. You can use this in cooking predominantly and putting into stews, sauces or soups. Now this one needs to be refrigerated once you've opened it, and it says here it's traditionally used in Indian and Middle Eastern foods at a very high smoke point. Again, the nutritional value, as I mentioned before, sodium 0.3, carbs 0, sugar 0, fat 15 grams and saturated 9.9. Now the oils to completely avoid on a keto diet: oil made from soy, canola, any oil that has got trans fat or a hydrogenated oil, which is a man-made oil, which is very, very bad for you. I'm now in my garden and I'm about to go upstairs onto the rooftop, so if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up and click the notification bell for all the upcoming videos. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.